This is a story all about how primates got flip-turned upside down. I'ma want to take a minute and discuss what it was like to be Ardipithecus ramidus in West Ethiopia, born and raised in the woodlands where I spent most of my days, flint napping by peddling, foraging for food all cool, and making stone tools outside of the school. When a couple of hominids up to no good started making trouble in my woodland hood, I got in one fight and my mom got scared. She said, "Artie, you gotta move away and beware."
I grasped my big toe on a branch that hung near and swung through the trees on to the frontier. If anything I can say, this locomotion is rare, but I thought for now, yo home's to my lair. I swung up to my crib and dropped from my dangle and yelled, "I'm home in the Afar Triangle." I looked at my kingdom, I was finally here, till Tim White found me in the 92nd year.